So I was just going inside, saw the sun popping out from the clouds, so I came over here, did a little stretch. Right above me I noticed a bug starting to fly, and he flies right over here. It's not a mosquito, but it looks like one. Oops. That is a bug in February, flying around. And there he goes, flying off in the February snow, going high in the sky. Look it. Gandhi. Amazing, eh? So I had like a common housefly in -6, and now we got this little guy flying around. He's really, really tiny, like that little body in this weather with snow. Come on. Come on. Doesn't happen. I already Googled it. They can't even really function when it's 0 Celsius. You know, so anyways. There is some fly that can survive at -80 on some fat substance, but it's not even in Canada. It's a weird looking fly, not even anything like a common housefly or that little thing. That looked like a mayfly. Kind of looks like a mosquito, but not really. I think they call them mayflies. Anyways, this video's too long. Peace. God bless. Strange days.